Good morning, my lovely students. If you please open the Your Term book, page 261. We are going to solve page 261. First, if you please read with me the vocabulary words: forecast, argue, relieve, astonished, forbidding, conditions, stranded, complaint. Finish each sentence using the vocabulary word provided. Number 1, stranded. When the bus wouldn't start, we were stranded 3 miles away from school. Stranded means when people are stranded, they are left in helpless position. Number 2, conditions. During the winter months, winter, the conditions are often icy and cold. The conditions are cold. What do you mean of conditions? Conditions means the state or circumstances something is in. Number 3, argue. It is not polite to argue with someone who has a different opinion. Argue means to express a difference of opinion or to disagree. Argue to disagree with someone. It is not polite to argue with someone who has a different opinion. We are going to respect each other, yes? Forbidding, number 4. Forbidding. What do you mean of forbidding? Forbidding is a verb, yes? Ordering someone or something to not to do something. Forbidding, not to do something. There was a large sign. There was a large sign forbidding people from walking their dogs on the beach. The sign forbidding people to walk their dogs on the beach. Forbidding means ordering someone or something not to do something. Number 5, complained. After the terrible movie, everyone complained. Complained means not happy, yes? Complained. And wished they had gone to see something else. Complaint means to make a charge. Number 6, relief. When the long race ended, we were filled with relief, especially since we won. We won, then we relief. Relief means the freeing from pain. Freeing from pain. Number 7, astonished. My classmates were astonished when I brought my pet snake to the picnic. Astonished means feeling of amazed or surprised. Astonished means feeling of amazed or surprised. Number 8, forecast. This week, the forecast calls for rain on Friday. The forecast calls for rain on Friday. Forecast means a statement that tells what will or may happen. What will or may happen. This is our homework for your turn. If you please, now I want from you to bring the reading book. This is the reading book, and now open page 420. What do we have here in page 420? We have the family. They are sitting. Yes, we are going to describe the place where they are sitting. If you please, describe in 2 sentences where are they sitting. Write it on the RCV copybook. Then flip the page, open this page, and look what do we have here. This is the street and this is Maria's market. I want from you to describe the living room first, then describe the street. Describe the street in front of Maria's market. Describe the street. Write 2 sentences about this street, if you please. Thank you very much.